Good afternoon. It is October the 19th, 2017. Time to wrap up today and take a look at tomorrow. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations, unlike an actual performance record. Simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made in any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Well, we had a good day in the E-mini. It's the first time that we've been able to see our idea work. We had a sell at 54 to 56. It was our number 2 sell point. Got short at 51 on a sell stop, and we're able to make 6 points. Thought we had 10-point potential. Then the market's just been move, pause, move, move, pause, move, headed back up, and it's we got a pretty good chance at closing even higher than this as we head into the close. So as we talked about many times today, I think the basic underlying idea as to why you're long the E-mini hasn't changed. I think that Trump's industrial policies that are being implemented and his proposed tax changes are what have been supporting the market. Okay, lower high, lower low on F1 says find a place to sell it on F2. Going to look at a P, and it's put in backwards with a couple of distributions higher. And so a P put in backwards is short covering. And that's what's taking us up. So pretty good resistance at 60 to 62. Really good support at 45, and we can see ourselves still in a trading range right here. So I imagine that's what we'll look at tomorrow. Tomorrow's news: existing home sales 5.3 million. Baker Hughes rig count probably lower than last week's 1140 with 928 here domestically. So I imagine those numbers will be lower. So if the market were to close right here, selling 60 to 62, 64, 66, sell 2. On the buy side, 53, 55, buy 1. And then 49, 51, buy 2. We're still in a situation where the stock market won't sell or is not allowed to sell. Came in today with treasuries being dependent on the directional move in the E-mini. The E-mini sold first. Treasuries were strong first in the morning. As the E-mini came back, treasuries weakened. So we've got a higher low and a higher high. F1 says we can buy it, but that's not what F2 is going to tell us. F2, it is a P. Do an F split right here. Trying to trade lower, maybe an E split would be a little more accurate to move out of the middle. Definitely dealing with a B with volume low in the distribution. So pretty clean break here at 10. We're at 7, so 8 to 12, sell 1. 15 to 19, sell 2. On the buy side, 1 to 5. And 25 to 29, buy 2. And looking at the 30-year, definitely a B. Last rotate up stopped at 19, then at 26, so we'll make 20 to 24, 1, 27, 31, sell 1. Really where we were today, sell 2, 3 to 7. Numbers should look familiar. Make 8 to 12, number 1. Buy 1 to 5. And then we'll make it 21 to 25 for buy 2. Give it a little bit more room to the downside. Looking at gold. We did really well in gold today as far as showing where support and resistance were, and we did get our trade setups in those areas. Not a huge day. We have an outside day in gold, and the previous day's range was nil, so that means find a place to trade it. Our F2 screen, pretty compressed. I think we're kind of where we were this morning, so 86, 84 buy 1, 90 to 92 sell 2, 94, 96, excuse me, sell 2, 90 to 92 sell 1, and then we'll make 79, 81, same numbers we had this morning. Well, crude, I think we're headed to 50 bucks on crude. Not quickly, but I think we are headed there. Trades in a $2 range, so we got a seller above 52. That much we do know. Lower high, lower low, weak close. Look for a place to sell it. A B on our F2 screen. So 51.75, 52, sell 1, 52 and a quarter, 52.50, sell 2. On the buy side, we'll do it again like we did this morning. 51 even, 51 and a quarter. We missed by 3 ticks getting to the top end of our range. Buy 1, and then 50.50, 50.75, buy 2. And the euro didn't quite make it to 119, or we hadn't the last time I looked at it. Higher low, higher high on F1. Find a place to buy it. Definitely a B with volume high in the distribution. Looking to sell the 119 area, didn't get it. So we're at 66. So 85 to 95, sell 1. 915, 925, sell 2. The buy side will make 1850, buy 1. And 18 and a quarter, buy 2. That does it for this October the 19th, 2017. I will see you bright and early in the morning. Y'all have a great evening. We'll see if we can't shake that money tree one more time again tomorrow. Later.